PC Windows Tech. In this video, I will talk about the response of my video, how to download torrent IDEM. So the response is awesome. 8,000 views I'm gaining, and my YouTube channel is about some 50 subscribers. So all of the 50 subscribers came from this video. So I'm really thankful to all that. Thank you for watching this video. Many people, around 8,000 or 7,000, I do not know the correct views, but I know about 7,000 or 8,000. So thank you. Please watch my video. If you do not watch it, I will link in the description of the video, how to download with IDEM, or like my video because the video was awesome and it take many time to create the video. Take many minutes to create the video. So that's in this video. Please click the red subscribe button to watch more videos, and thanks for watching this video.